Welcome to this edition of Hippie and the Tech. And today we are fixing our Ride Rite system because for some reason these knuckleheads decided to run this plastic hose over this exhaust pipe. So what is a Ride Rite system? What it is right here you have these airbags and it sits on the leaf spring, and what it does is it helps stabilize the rig from bouncing back and forth. And once you get used to it, man, you don't want to ever ride without them because you ride right. It also comes with a bladder tank and a compressor, and the compressor allows us to have a tire. We can pump our tires with the compressor, and our air hose connection is up in the front. So it's a nice little system when it's installed right. When we were going through Yellowstone, it got really hot and it punctured a hole. So instead of taking it to a Ford dealership, I decided to go buy some hose that was rated for more than this red hose here is rated for 150 pounds. And you've got these quick links here. And I picked up this hose, which is rated for 170 PSI. And I grabbed these couplings here. So we'll see if it works. All right, let's see. It's holding. All right, this is good news. Really good news. That means it's holding. So the moral of the story is this: if something breaks, try to figure it out. You know, when I watched Melissa go through the NRVIA training, I was really inspired to, instead of panicking about every little thing that breaks, try to investigate, buy a multimeter, you know, figure out how things work, and got it fixed. I'm so excited we got it fixed. But when I was down there, and you'll notice this in the RV life, and this is just the way it goes. When you fix one thing, you'll find something else that's broken. And when I was down there, I saw this. This is my sway bar connected to the axle, and it's sheared off. So I got to fix that now. But anyways, thanks for following us. Subscribe. We got some really cool videos that we're working on. I know we haven't been putting a lot of videos out, but we have been working on the NRVIA training video documentary, so that's been taking a lot of our time. But love you guys. Thanks for following us. Take care.